We're back again. Today I'll be showing you some Subway Surfer promo codes. Okay, so you go to the little setting button at the top. You go down, you go to promo code claim gifts. Here's our first promo code. It is sorry, there's people talking in the background. It's SUBWAY 2019 KEYS. That should get you like 9 keys or something. Yeah, I'm right, 9 keys. It gives you 9 keys, bleed. No, let's get to another part of the video. It's SYBATWRTTER. I didn't spell it right. SYBATWRTTER. And you will give you 5,000 coins. So get 9,000 if you have. Okay, and then 4,000. Or third code. Sabay. Was it there? Voila! Where is everyone? I can buy the Robux. Not the blue box. Okay. Okay. Here is the last one for today. It is MISS MAIA and this I already redeemed. It will give you yes guys, see, I have already used that. That will give you that skin. Yes, it will give you, and it will give you this skin. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you all next time.